Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a sketch of a dog sitting down position. And when we mean sitting down, we are talking about the front legs are like standing up and the dog is sitting on the rear legs. So we will style this particular one on we tried to draw German Shepherd in a previous video, so we'll go with the German Shepherd. So just put that out like that. Frame is like going that way and then coming down like that. So that is the curvature we have to keep in mind. So 1, 2, so that's almost like a rabbit's leg here, the way it's coming out, but we'll see how this turns up exactly. But we do need these shapes to work with. And then 1, so going like that and like that. And along the same flow, let's put out the other foot like that. So 1, 2, 3 like that. We need these 3 bends here. And the corresponding, if you're looking at it from that angle and we can see 2 front legs, we have to be able to see 2 rear legs slightly placed like that. And this foot should be like slightly above this, because that is we're using a perspective there. Okay, so we got kind of like already looking like a dog. That's how easy it is to like put these shapes together. Okay, now we work with the frame and see if we can do something here. Come down and put in paw. Let's extend the leg to here. Okay. And then we have a hint of the fur. Hint of the fur. Fur going here. The longer paw put up like that. Put down like that, sorry. Use some fur here as well. We can Google lots of images. You will be surprised by how many images of dogs are like out there to work with, reference. One bushy tail on the floor. Normally this could be curled, but this will be I think easier because after all we are looking at it from the side. And then that goes all the way like that. And then behind that, somewhere here, we have the other paw. Extend that furry bit a little bit more. Okay, and then we have to take care of the head here. So then let's go like that. Just like take it like one bit at a time. And again, we are exploring a sitting down position. Now, the details as to how a particular dog comes out can always be like switched around. And okay, you know, if this was a I think we need to streamline the muscle a little bit if we are to maybe make it into an Alsatian. Let's try an Alsatian. So slightly more pointy muscle there. And it always has that thoughtful type of expression about it. And then we have those long pointy ears. Now the thing is that when we are putting down the tones and like rearing cross hatches in any dog, we have to just like determine, I think beforehand would be better, and it doesn't always work out that way, of what dog it exactly is. And I think it becomes much easier if we actually base an actual sketch of a dog instead of just try to like generalize it as we have tried to do here. So now putting in the general bit of crosshatch. And of course, all the other details, like they keep coming into play as we keep working on the different details, depending on how much we want to highlight one of each feature, what is the purpose, if this is a certain like work of art that we are trying to accomplish here, or we are just trying to practice doing some sitting poses. So this is the one quick, easy way to get around it. I'm pretty sure that a lot of fun can be had with this particular posture. So that's from the side. We'll do another one in which we will show sitting position and right from the front, and we'll try to do it with these exact same breed of or kind of dog somewhere along this line. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.